Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install Arturia FX Collection 5. The first thing, I got this plugin from pluginforest.com. They offer instant download, lifetime activation and future-free updates. They also offer 24/7 live chat support. If you have any issue, you can contact with them and they're gonna help you instantly. Okay, so once you buy from pluginforest.com, you will get this zip file. The first thing you have to do is unzip the file. Once you unzip the folder, go to the folder, you will get these two setup. First, install FX Collection 5 setup. Make sure you have select all of this one. Once installation is finished, install the next setup. Very good. Now close everything. Open your DAW. I'm using Ableton. There you go. Everything is working fine. Enjoy your plugin. Peace.